Good morning, students. How are you? I am Sam Thapa, mathematics teachers of Joint School family. So, class 6, days 5. Topic is addition and subtraction. So, my dear students, in my previous class, I give you that your homeworks 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you are doing homeworks. Today we are learn question number 5. Question number 5. 6x minus 3x. So what we do now these questions? We are doing here subtraction. So now my dear students, you see here, they are the like term or not? Yes, they are the like term. So it means its coefficient is a 6, its coefficient is a 3. So its difference is equal to 3x is our right answer. Understood? And one more question is examples. Question number I. 8x cube minus 5x cube. So my dear students, they are the like term or not? First of all, see here, they are the like term. So its coefficient is equal to 8 and its coefficient is equal to 5. So difference is 3x cube. It's right answer. So one more thing you remember, that when you are doing subtraction, you always see here minus 8x and minus 2xy. These two terms are like or not? Yes, they are the like term because their variable is x and y, and here is also the x and y, and its sign is before. Its in front is here minus, and here is in front is minus. So both terms are the similar sign. So you always remember that similar sign always add. Understood? They are never subtract. Here is the between two terms have the minus sign. So you are doing minus. It is wrong answer. Okay? Because you see here, when two terms having between similar sign, they should be add. So it means that addition is doing 10 and 8 and 2 10 and xy, and the sign will be minus because the similar sign is always add. Either they are the addition or subtraction. The terms having the addition sign or the subtraction sign, they should be the added. Okay, and the sign will be same is right. Okay, one example you here, minus 9xy plus 3xy. See here is the two terms. One is a 9xy, another is a 3xy. So 3xy's sign is its in front plus sign, and 9x sign is minus sign. So they are the similar sign or different signs? Yes, of course it is a different sign. So that's why it is a subtract. So in our rules of subtractions, we are doing greatest to we are subtract greatest to smallest. So here is the 9x minus 9 minus 3 is equals to 6 is remain. 6xy is remain. So my dear students, what you tell me here, what sign will be what sign we will write here? Minus sign, because the minus sign is the greatest. Have you got the idea? So and one more example. See here, 10xy minus 12xy. So dear students, look at here. Here is the one term is equal one term. That sign is minus, and here is the another terms, its sign is nothing there. It means that there is a plus sign. So here is one term is a minus and another term is a plus. So it will be doing the subtraction because they have a different sign. So it means that its difference is equals to greatest terms is 12 and smallest term is 10. So its difference is 2. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Xy is remain. So if you write down 2xy, it is a wrong because it is a positive 2xy. Positive means plus 2xy. So here our answer is will be the minus 2xy, because the minus sign is the greatest. So when you're doing difference you're doing as it is, but one thing you remember, that the sign, what sign we will keep theirs or write theirs. Okay, so another example, 10ab minus 3ab minus 2ab. It is a simplified example. So first of all, we see here they are the like term or not. Yes, of course it is a like terms. Okay, so here is 10xy, 10ab, and here here is yes, these two terms are the like terms. So their sum will be how much? 5ab. So if difference is equals to, now if difference is equals to 5ab. So see here is a positive sign or negative sign. Here is a one is a positive, and this is a negative. So positive sign variable is greatest. That's why we are write down here positive ab. Okay. So now we are going to the next hour, simplifications. Question number 6. Question number 6, B number. 6x plus 1 minus x plus 3. So my dear students, here is the 4 term is given, and we are arranged. First of all, the like terms are 6xy minus xy plus 1 plus 3. These two terms are like, and these two terms are like. So that's why we are arranged as their sign. Okay. So now here one term is equal to positive and another term is negative. So it will be doing difference. Okay, minus 5x. Okay, the positive sign is greatest, so that's why 5x is a positive. And here 1 positive and 3 is also the positive numbers. So it means that sum is equals to 4. So our right answer is 5x plus 4. So one more example, question number 6H number, 4a plus 6b plus 3 plus 9a minus 3b. First of all, arrange the numbers, arrange the terms. 4a, here is a plus 9a, and 6b minus 3b. The terms in front, their sign will be appears. Okay, and plus 3. So my dear students, you know that they are the like terms, and they are also the like term. If term is not like they are here, so that is right down. Okay, so now they are the addition 13a difference plus 3b plus 3. It's right answer. So my dear students, today is this much. You are doing question number 5 and 6. Thank you very much. Thank you.